Holmarc's Auto Digital Microscope, model HOAIS B01, is an advanced automated microscope tailored for inspection and failure analysis across various industrial sectors. This model features a 5x microscope objective paired with a 3-megapixel CMOS color camera, delivering high-resolution images crucial for precise analysis. For optimal illumination, the microscope includes a high bright intensity adjustable ring LED for uniform top lighting, complemented by LED bottom illumination to effectively image transparent and semi-transparent samples. The device boasts a highly precise motorized XY stage for automated sample scanning, along with a motorized Z focusing stage that employs an autofocus algorithm, ensuring the sharpest focus in each frame. The user-friendly software, AMV02, facilitates automated scanning and stitching operations, while its measurement tools allow users to assess parameters like diameter, length, and angles directly from the captured images. Key specifications include an infinity-corrected optical system, digital bright field observation, and adjustable intensity for both top and bottom illumination. The microscope's pan-achromatic 5x objective is manually replaceable, and it features advanced functionalities such as scanning, stitching, particle counting, and comprehensive documentation capabilities. The microscope finds applications in diverse industries. In aerospace, it aids in the cleanliness analysis of lubricants. In automotive, it evaluates components' cleanliness. The medical field uses it for contamination checks on implants and syringes, while electronics benefit from thorough inspections and cross-section analyses. Additionally, it serves in the textile industry for qualitative and quantitative fiber analysis, in healthcare for full slide scanning, and in material analysis for detailed inspections. This versatile instrument is essential for maintaining high standards of quality and precision across multiple fields. Holmarc's Auto Digital Microscope, model HOAIS B01. Holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.